we're off to see Steve and Kat from Kat and I. Another visit this week. And then Sunday we're going to Peterborough Koi Club again. Very busy week for us. I'll pick you up when we get there. Hi, we're at Kat and Steve's. Kat and I, and I don't know if you can see him.
Hello, good afternoon. I seem to have an owl, but I'm sure that you know everything about this owl by now. Thor. Thor meets Steve, Steve meets Thor. Absolutely beautiful.
I'm going to take you around and show you Steve's pond.
Feel free.
It's an absolutely lovely pond. Got lovely fish. Don't know if you can see them, but we're going to look through the window. There you go. Very placid. And we've got a shower with plants and that in. Greenhouse with a drum. Another blade. Yeah. And down the side of this house, it's actually got climbing wall. It's cool. Love it. So yeah. Yeah, Kat and I's pond. This is the deepest end. So this is the deepest end. What it's got. Fish. We're back from Steve and Kat's, Kat and I. We had a brilliant afternoon. Very nice people. If you're not subscribed to them, pop over to Kat and I. Absolutely brilliant day. Thank you so much, Steve and Kat. Speak to you soon.